Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
What going for that Colaz Smith? What going, bro?
Oh, go on, me there, man.
Yeah, man. Keep it real, Andre, man. Is it?
Respect, respect.
Yeah, man. The first one, I just want to big you up.
Yeah, man. Big up, man. Big up yourself.
That you mentor, bro, and I like the work we do. They have like 13 subscribers, and they get discouraged and you comment and you say keep it going, and it really inspired me, bro. And I like the work we put in, and help out a lot of people. And you just a role model, man, where a lot of people look up to. You see me, I say, and emulate. So I just want to just send blessings to you and your family and the whole entire team. You know what I'm saying? Just keep being you and keep doing what you're doing. And pick up yourself and learning to drive that truck. You see me?
Alright,
God is the
alright.
greatest.
That is it, man. Respect,
Yeah,
respect.
man. Yeah,
Alright.
man. One love, Colaz.
Every time, yeah, man.
Every time.
Alright, so for the people in the comments, big up.